Samarkand Medical Institute is the first medical institute in Central Asia, which provides high-quality training for highly qualified medical specialists. In its activity, the institute is guided by the Constitution of Republic of Uzbekistan, the Educational Art, the National Program for Training of Personnel, decrees and the resolution of the President of Uzbekistan Republic, decrees the resolution of the Oli Majlis and Cabinet of Ministers of Republic Uzbekistan, as well as the regulatory documents and the statute of the institute. The history of Samarkand Medical Institute dates back to 4 May 1930, when the Uzbek State Medical Institute was founded by the decision of the Council of People's Commissar of Uzbekistan. Special attention should be paid to the activities of the institute during the World War II. In the 1941 and 1944, the Military Medical Academy was evacuated from Leningrad to Samarkand and was located on the base of the institute clinic. Scientists of the academy, together with the teaching staff of Samarkand Medical Institute, successfully continued their pedagogical activities and scientific research. 1980 is included into the history of Samarkand with red line, taking into account the great merits into training of highly qualified medical personnel and the contribution of the development of medical science and a connection with the 50th anniversary of the Institute Foundation. The government of Uzbekistan adopted the resolution, and the government of Uzbekistan is a resolution on awarded the Institute with the Order of Friendship of People. The institute being subordinated to the Higher Education Institute of the Minister of Health of Republic of Uzbekistan, implements the realization of higher education program in the following stages: bachelor programs, master program, clinical residency, basic doctoral research, postgraduate training for the practitioners. Over 40,000 certified doctors were trained and graduated the institute during its existence. The students of Samarkand State Medical Institute receive education in the following areas: general medicine, pediatrics, medical pedagogy, medical prevention, dentistry, high nursing, pharmacy, medical biology, as well as 26 specialties of the masters and 40 specialties of the clinical residency program. In addition, the doctor annually upgrade their qualification in 16 areas at the Faculty of Postgraduate Education for practitioners. Presently, 612 highly qualified teaching specialists work at the institute. There are 52 doctors of science and 134 candidates of science among them. The educational process at the institute is organized according to international educational standards. For the first time among the University of Republic of Uzbekistan, it has been organizing a credit module educational system at the institute since 2013 that correspond to international medical entities. Distant e-learning educational system module Mbbs is introduced into the educational process. The e-learning platform contains more than 42 terabytes of electronic material. According to the activity of the system, the Samarkand Medical Institute holds a leading position not only among the higher educational institutions of Uzbekistan, but only among the universities of CIS countries. Lecture halls and training classes are well equipped for productive work of students. Educational and clinical laboratories are equipped with the modern informational technologies, multimedia, projectors, video and audio system. The main training and clinical base of the institute are the first and second clinics, as well as 30 clinical bases of medical preventive institutions in Samarkand city, where highly qualified professors and teaching staff at the institute provide medical diagnostic and consulting services to the population as well. There are 25 students from South Korea and Russia studying at the institute. This fact indicates a high level of organization of the educational process at the Samarkand State Medical Institute. Samarkand Medical Institute takes an active part in the implementation of projects within the grant of the Center of Science and Technology, fundamental research of the Academy of the Republic of Uzbekistan.